Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mouse double clicking on a single click. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, go and find your start menu. Right click on it and just click on settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on accessibility. Down here, you gotta scroll all the way down and find mouse. Click on it. And as you can see here, we have the double click speed. Okay, just basically move this slider towards the left and test it out. Okay, if this one works for you, well, you're good to go. Okay, just like this one right here. Okay, just leave it to 2. That's the sweet spot. If that will work, close this one. Right click on your start menu and click on device manager. And then in here, you gotta find your mice and other pointing devices. Select your mouse from here, right click and click on update. Now click on search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on the back arrow key and click on browse. Let me pick install the signature and click on next. Wait for the process to finish and tap on close. Now once done, it will ask you to restart your computer. So go ahead and restart your computer and everything should work perfectly fine now. If that doesn't work, it might be a hardware issue, okay? You might want to try to clean it with a compressed air. Or if it's still under warranty, I would highly suggest you that you don't open up your mouse, okay? Go ahead and send it for replacement. That is how you fix your mouse if it's double clicking on a single click. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.